Well, my question to you is,
Oh,
if you could get more ride requests, but I'm gonna pay you lower, would you be liking that?
Yeah, there's my answer.
My answer as well.
Yeah. Look at this is Lyft. I'm telling you, have you guys seen this yet? Lyft priority. So we're gonna exchange lower fares for more pings now. No.
First of all, that's not even guaranteed because you don't know how busy it's going to be at that particular time. It's all based on, past reference, in order to try to do that. And you don't even know how many drivers are technically on the platform. But why would you give up the low pay that you're already getting for lower pay just to get a couple extra rides? Would it even equal out, or is this going against knowing your worth?
I wouldn't exchange 15%
I want less pings for better pay. Yeah, give me something like that.
Pings. I go, what happened to does that mean they don't have enough demand? Is that what that means to Lyft? I mean, I'm not going to exchange. I mean, Lyft. I put a video up. It got like 60,000 views in like a day because it showed you $2.62 minimum fare in LA, okay, which was the same 262 in 2015 Lyft. How much more blood is left in my rock? 262, Chris. So in order to get more pings, I have to give you a 15% discount? In what independent contractor world does this freaking work? I'm an independent contractor. I'm not going to exchange lower money, less money for more pings, more jobs. For that's sake. Imagine that I'm an air conditioning contractor and my general contractor goes, oh, I have to pay you 15% less, but then I'm going to give you more jobs.
You know what?
This goes back to the old hocus pocus, Chris. This is back old hocus pocus. If you're busier, you will make more money. That's why we're cutting the rates. No, doesn't work like that. It has never worked like that. So whoever's doing this, Lyft, eradicate this bullshit. We're going to give you more things, but pay you
what
less.
Lyft is doing? Lyft is trying to, super couponing?
Yeah, bro.
That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to coupon you by saying, oh, we're going to pay you less, but we'll give you more rides.
Ah, fuck, man.
So drivers in the chat, what would you do? Would you accept I want to know, cash or trash on priority mode? What do you think? Put in the chat. Let us know.
Capital TRASH, capital trash.
Exclamation.
Bro, if you tell me that you're going to give me more pings, are you going to guarantee me that you're not going to shove up my, all the 262s? Huh? No. Okay. No deal. I don't want your priority. Don't give me a ping. Give me one ping an hour. How about that? I'm not taking a pay cut. I already took 6 pay cuts, Lyft, in the last 6 years. I'm not going to exchange. Well, I already feel like, Chris, we exchanged. Upfront fares was an exchange for lower pay for seeing the destination. Now, this is the next leg. Or you will get more pings, but at a 15% less rate. Bro, what 15% less rate? I'm at $2.62. David, save my ass here, David. $2.62, David, with no ride challenges, which I happily did really, all of those 262s in 2016 because I had 100 for 700 goddamn quest with it. I'm not going to do it now. Fuck, exactly, Kuber. What the? Seriously, bro. So, I mean, I don't know what this week, like this year is starting on this like negative roll, which I hate, but it's reality, bro. It's like blatantly they're telling you, we'll give you more pings, but we're not going to tell you what kind of pings they are. It could be like all $3 trash pings, but we'll give you 15% less. I'm like, no, I'd rather fucking sit. I'd rather cherry pick, do one for $30 an hour if I can catch it. I'd rather sit on my ass than carry all your passenger who should be on the bus for $3. I'm not going to do it. So whoever does this, don't unsubscribe, leave the channel, go somewhere else, go do something else. Fuck, man. There you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.